Hey guys, welcome back. This is Zach, the Unusual Geek. I'm here with an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9. This is the 512 gigabyte model with the 8 gigs of RAM. Finally just got it. Samsung had some back orders, but I finally got my hands on mine here. Haven't opened it yet. Literally just got it last night. So I haven't had a chance to check it out, and you guys will take a look at it at the same time as me. Alright, so let's start. There you go. Alright, let's see. There you go. It's not bad. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Okay. That's out of the way. This is the blue version, or what they call it, ocean blue version, okay? Alright, so we'll open it here. Alright, sweet. Let's go. Alright, so this is a little compartment here with the SIM card eject tool here, the pin, whatever they call it. Quick start guide, which obviously, you know, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't use it. But if you guys into that stuff, you can absolutely read it and go over how to get started with the Galaxy Note 9. Alright, so here's the phone. Cool. Not bad at all. Alright. Put it on the side. Let's see what else is out there. Out here. Alright, so USB-C cable, AKG, the AKG headphones here with the 3.5 millimeter, for those of you who remember what that is. It's still here. Alright. Then these here are, oh, that's my dog right there. So these here are little inserts for the headphones. This one here, I really don't know what this is for. It looks like a, I always wonder what this is for. It says other. I never use it, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't use it. This is the USB-A to USB-C adapter. This is good if you are transferring files from a phone to another, from another Galaxy phone to another. And then this is the ball adapter. As you can see, I think that's it. There's nothing else. So put this back in. Usually don't use these much. I might do a data transfer with this from my Galaxy Note 9. Yeah, we'll probably see how it works. I never tried it before. Usually just use the Google backup tool to transfer all the backed up data and stuff like that. So let's take this sticker out. Alright, let's take the sticker out. Alright, let me see. Let me take this out too, that way. Alright, sticker is out. So I am not gonna take this front screen protector / whatever, because I'm gonna tell you why. I'm very nitpicky with my screens. If they get scratched off, it's just it drives me bananas. So I'm gonna leave this on for now, because I have another video coming up where I'll be in up to 30 FPS or 60 FPS, which is pretty decent, I'd say. Also, there's a slow motion at 24 FPS, 1080p, or even a slower motion at 720 at 960 FPS, which is supposedly stupid nice. So as far as the battery, it has a 4,000 milliamp battery. with fast charging. Little downsides here. Samsung decided to go with Qualcomm Charge 2.0. I believe we're up to 4.0 right now with the new chip, Snapdragon chip. A little bit disappointed, but we'll go. There's also wireless charging, fast charging, if you want to call it that way. Network, it supposedly will work with most of the networks in the US here. Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, and other carriers. It works. So also, one of the cool things is that on top of the 512 gig memory, you can add another 512 up to 512 gigs by using a micro SD card. So that's a plus again when using a Samsung phone. Operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo with TouchWiz on top of it, which it's give or take for me. I'm not a huge fan, but also I like some features on it. I'm hoping that Samsung gets on the fast update track because they are really not that great at updating their phones to the latest Android versions on time. So I'm suspecting that we'll see Android Pie on this device probably in May next year or something like that, April, May. Also, so there's 2 speakers on it with DAC and with DAC support. Also, there's Bluetooth, and then pretty much that's about it. What did I forget? Okay, it's IP68 rated. Basically, it's water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant, dust proof. So you can drop it. You can submerge it in up to 5 feet and up to 30 minutes. Basically, if you're outside talking and it's raining and stuff, you should be fine. Sensors, you have an iris sensor for the login, which scans your eyes in order to log in. Other than that, okay, you also have Knox security platform for those of you who use it with your companies and stuff like that. So, and of course, let's not forget about the Bixby Assistant, which is Samsung version of virtual assistant. It's still work in progress, to be honest with you. It's really not up there if you compare it with Google Assistant, for example. So anyway, so on the side here, you have a power button right here. Then on this side, you have the Bixby button, volume rocker. Back, you have the 2 cameras with the flash, and then your fingerprint reader right here. So it's my hands are fairly not big, but in the middle, I'd say it's a pretty good spot. I use fingerprint all the time, fingerprint reader all the time. In the front, 6.4-inch display, of course. You have your front camera. You have your LED lights here. You have your front speaker. I'm sorry, for the talk. And on the bottom here, you have USB-C port, 3.5 millimeter jack. For those of you who forgot what this is, that you can plug a headphone here and actually talk in it. You have your speakers here, and of course, what separates this phone from most competitors is the S Pen. The S Pen this year is a little bit different than years before. It actually has it works via Bluetooth as well. Now you can use it to do a few functions. As you can literally take a selfie just by clicking this. You can actually take it away from the phone, and it has a little, I believe, a battery inside, if I'm not mistaken, which charges once you plug it in. Once that's dead, you can just use this as the old S Pen. So here we go. So this was an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9. I hope you guys like it. and I will come back again with a full review in the next couple weeks after I spend enough time with this phone, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any questions or remarks, drop them down below. I'll be more than happy to respond anytime. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.